Hi there, students. To rumble. A rumble. Okay, rumbling is a deep resonant sound, a continuous So, for example, we talk about the rumble of thunder. You know, when there's lightning, there's a flash of electricity in the sky. And then you have a rumble of thunder. Well, maybe it's close and it's very loud, but if it's very distant, it rumbles. When you're hungry, your stomach rumbles. My stomach's rumbling, I need something to eat. Or maybe the sound of artillery firing in the distance. Okay, the artillery is rumbling in the distance. Or maybe the neighbours upstairs are moving furniture and you hear this rumbling through the floor. Or the traffic was rumbling past. In my flat you can hear the rumble of traffic, but it's not very loud. Okay, so rumble, this is this sound. Now, we have several other metaphorical meanings. For example, discontent is rumbling. I think this is a British use. It's continuing, persisting, but at a low level, low key. Yeah? Discontent was rumbling in the ranks. Also in British English, and this one is very British and quite informal, when illicit or illegal or activity is discovered. We've been rumbled, we've been discovered. The kids went down to the cupboard during the night to steal the sweets, but I rumbled them. I discovered them. Yeah? Okay, let's hope we don't get rumbled when we go shoplifting in the supermarket. Yeah? If we're rumbled, we're going to have to run like hell. Also, apparently in American, but this one is not something I would use, a rumble is a gang fight, a fight between gangs. Okay? So, rumble, this sound of thunder, your stomach, the furniture, a big vehicle rumbled past. And then metaphorically, something continues, but at a low level. The problem rumbled on. The difficulty rumbled on. Okay? The complaint rumbled on. To continue, but not as key focus. And then very informal, to rumble somebody doing something wrong or doing something illegal. The thief was rumbled during the burglary. And then American as well, a gang fight. Okay, apparently this word comes from Dutch, from Middle Dutch, rommelen, which I think it's onomatopoeic. If you listen to the word rumble, it's got this rumbling sound in it. And I think it's an onomatopoeic word. Okay, so next question, formality. Well, before I do that, it's a regular verb, rumble, rumbled, rumbled, regular verb. So, formality, the noise, thunder, your stomach, the traffic, this is neutral formality. It describes something and you could use it in an informal conversation or in a very formal document. When something continues or persists at low level, maybe this is a little less formal. Let's see, rumble for the sounds, I think I would give a 5 out of 10 for formality. So a situation rumbling on, continuing on low key, I think I would also give it 5 in formality, but I would use this in either semi-formal or informal situations. I think in a very formal document, I might use the phrase continue to persist or something like that. Okay, this meaning to discover somebody doing something illicit. This is very informal. Yeah? I would only use this in an informal conversation. We've been rumbled. I think in a formal situation, to catch somebody in flagrante or something like that. Okay? So, to rumble, the sound of thunder, the sound of artillery. To continue or persist, particularly a problem rumbling on. And then to rumble somebody doing something, to catch them at something that they shouldn't be doing. And remember, that meaning's very informal. Okay? So, rumble. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Rumble.